If you guys watching this channel since it started, you guys should know that I am a big fan of RGB LED strips. So today, this company sent me their new RGB LED strip to unbox it for you guys. So let's get started. So once we open the box, we got the manual on the top. It has a QR code which you can scan it and it will take you to application that you can install and control it with that application. And then you got the power bricks, two power bricks, as well as the LED strip. So the LED strip is very long and it's very easy and simple to install. So let's install the LED strip. So this is how it looks once you install it. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I had LED strips before this, but this one is very bright, it's very good. And all you need to do, check the link in the description down below and you can buy it for yourself. So yeah, now let's just start the video.
So hey, what's up guys, Citrix is here and today I have a tutorial about the Instagram Plus. In my last video, all of you commented that the problem of the last link was that was old, and I have a new and a very popular link for you guys that you can download Instagram Plus for free, and also it is working 100%. So before any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to search for the Instagram Plus download for Android. So I'll put the link in description down below, so check the link and I will put that. So click to the link, which is the Uptodown link. Then you need to click to the latest version, then click to the download. Now as you guys can see here, I have an option that you want to download this file or not. I'm clicking OK. Yes. Now as you guys can see, here is my Instagram Plus. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Peace.